Hey, hey, can you hear me? Hey, it's a little dull. Let's kick it up a notch. Yeah, yeah. Here we go, here we go. Walking down the street with no underwear, looking for two trashless to cover what's there. Everybody knows it could be something crazy. Here comes a little bird, that little lazy. Hell with that bird. Who gives a damn? If I had a gun, I'd shoot it to the ground and then stamp on it with my feet. Here we go, here we go. What was that I heard in the background? Something pecking in my ear, something on the ground. Crazy little bird coming down. I'm gonna slap it till it turns brown. Here it goes, here it went. Here comes the stupid bird back again. Everybody wants to play with a little birdie every day. Bam! Kill it! And I'll just leave you with that. The pain it is going through.